Welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, let us see about setting essential options in Microsoft Project 2016. Microsoft Project comes up with so many default options, but definitely there are some essential options that you need to set up to add value. To set options, first go to File, click on Options. In this Project Options dialog box, in the General category, you can define your username, your initials. So all your projects will have your initials that you would like to show in the properties. Next thing is to change the date format. It completely depends on you and your projects, the geography that you're working on. You can decide whether you want to show only the date or the day as well. I generally use this format 28th Jan 09 to be more uniform and to save the space in the column width. Then go to the Save tab. As we're using the 2016 version, it saves all the projects in the latest version by default. But all the users of your organization might not be using the same version. So it would be safer to use the previous version for enabling others to easily access if you save this document. You can set the timer in minutes by checking this checkbox to save your project backup, as it would be helpful in case of any crash. If you keep it very less, then it would be too disturbing for you while working. So you can set this as 30 or 60 minutes as an optimum time. You can also mention whether to save active project only or save all open projects. You can turn on this prompt before saving to actually decide yes or no to save or not. Next thing is the default file locations. All the projects by default get saved in the Documents My Documents folder, but this is not safer when you format your laptop or desktop, as there is a clear chance of data loss. So it's better to choose some better location for saving all your projects. Turn on this Save to Computer by Default checkbox to directly save while opening the project in your computer. The most important section is the last one, the Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings. Go to Legacy Formats. If you select the first option, the tool won't allow you to open any other versions of Microsoft schedules other than the default version. And the third option will always allow you to open any kind of file, whether it may be 2003 or the 2007 version or the 2016. So to be on the safer side, on the security perspective, it is better to select the second option to ask for a prompt. Next thing is the privacy options. The last option, remove personal information from file properties on save. If you turn on this checkbox, it will remove all the information like the author details, last modified details, company name from the file properties. So whenever you are sharing the file to some external parties and you don't want to share your personal information, you can select this option. Okay, so once you're done with all these essential settings, click OK and again click on OK to close all the dialog boxes. So finally you're ready with the new settings now. These settings will definitely save your time if you're applying the same settings every time on your projects, and this will for sure add more professional value to your projects. You can remodify these settings at any point of time as per your wish. So friends, this is all about setting essential options in Microsoft Project 2016. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.